What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. What are we doing, Jats? We're doing
Pokemon battle.
Pokemon battle. We're going to show you the bots. What we're going to do. That one, shoulder fable right here.
We've already done one.
Yeah, we've already done one of these videos, but we thought we'd do another one. Why not? And yeah.
Can I?
Who's going to win, Scarlett? Us. We're going to win.
No! Who's gonna win, Skylar? Ah! Yeah. We ain't got. I had to shiny ball. I had to sell you shiny ball.
Right. I want to give a big shout out to Beardy Collectibles.
We have it. Budget ball.
I want to give a big shout out to Beardy Collectibles. I've got this calendar. This one's 2013, I think it is.
Yeah.
So last year's one. So we're going to compare it to the one we done not long ago.
Let's see if we can get a Charizard.
Yeah.
Yes.
So yeah, big shout out to them. Go on their website. Right. We're going to open this box now. We're going to get our trusty Samurai sword.
I want to see under there.
Right, go on, try to cut it open. Yeah, well, you can have this. There you go.
Yeah, I can have that. It's got to do the help.
There we go. As we're opening that.
I could do it. Jetson. I let Jetson can.
Yeah. There we go, look at that. You've done that before, haven't you?
Dad!
Oosh.
Let's get this.
Oh. Right, let's move this rubbish down here.
That's why we use the sell my sword. Hey, you're full. Make me full. Hey, what do you mean?
Right, as always, you get a booklet. It shows you, yeah. It shows you all the Pokemon cards. Have a flick through there. Right. You lot have got ants in your pants. Always moving.
I put my hand. I like putting my hands in my pants. Ooh.
Right, so we've got Stinky Energies. We have got card sleeves. We have got a code card.
Oh, yeah. Daddy, we have that. Daddy, we have that. Daddy, look at your hand.
Oh, look at that. That's the promo card.
Card.
Yeah. Then we got dividers. Oh, I'll take one.
You get special coins.
Dividers. Look at that.
Get special coins. And Pokemon cards.
Special coins.
The EX dice.
Oh, look at that.
There's an EX dice.
EX dice. Look at that.
And of course, a lot of Pokemon cards.
All important Pokemon cards. Do you want to lay them out, chats?
Yeah. Okay. Me first. Me first. Me
Right.
first.
Should we get this one set up?
I want to make me first.
Right.
If you win, you get to open this card. That's if you win.
Right, we need one. So, open. Right, so we're going to put this
Well,
where you got to open it from. So, that there.
okay. Don't touch that. That's hot.
Right, ready?
Yeah.
Take a pick, any pick.
Well, I cake. And then we'll just use them. I'll lay it over like that, yeah? So, pass them. I want to see what one is even.
Right, code card.
I know it.
One from the back.
Okay, what anything?
I'm going to say grass. I'll say grass.
I say fire.
Oh, still.
Eevee.
Right, come down. There we go. Throw a gun. Go back.
That's going to be a good one.
I don't think so. No, not your mouth.
I think so.
Stuffle. Weevil. Oh, that's a nice
Wait,
card, though.
it's a filler.
You have to go from your last one, though.
Wait, it's a filler. Wait, this
Yeah, but it's a trainer card.
It's a filler.
How are we going to go from a trainer card?
Right, 100.
Right, Scarlett, what pack do you want to pick?
Give her
Oils.
bad luck. Give your bad luck.
No, reject the bad luck. Get rid of that. This one?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
I hope it's gonna be a bad one. Yeah, it's gonna be so bad.
Right. Third card.
Me and Jax is gonna win.
Right, one from the back. Ready?
Fire!
I'm going to say,
Fire!
I'm going to say water.
Fire! I say fire.
Oh, another still. Okay. So we've got Houndoom, Eevee, Dartrix,
It's gonna be so bad.
Persian. I don't think it is. Kyron, Celia, Zora. Oh!
Only by 50. Okay.
50 is a lot, mate. Right, it's 1-0 to us, Scarlett. High five. Ow! No, let Jackson pick.
I'm just gonna.
You pick last one.
Okay.
You take 10.
Also, we have to do that one this
That's
time.
next video, yeah?
Yeah,
We'll do next video.
Wait, are we
We'll
going
open
to
the
do
calendar
that one
next
after?
video. Yeah, we can do. We can open this.
Okay, yeah.
Code card.
Okay, which energy?
There you go.
Electric!
I'm going to say fire.
I'm going to say grass. Electric.
Oh,
Or
psychic.
Jinx.
4 seats, slow down. Cufant. Zubat. Oh, we get Kyron. Dusclops. Oh!
Wait, so technically,
That's a nice card, that, isn't it?
technically I got to fill up twice in a row.
Look at that. That's wicked one.
So
isn't it?
you have to grab it 200.
That's a lot of numbers. I don't know.
I like that one. That's good.
That's a lot of numbers.
Right, Scarlett.
I'm getting all the fill ups. You have to try and beat 200.
Scarlett.
What?
What? You get up. There you go.
What?
What?
Right, do you want to pick a pack?
Me.
I like the
Right,
way
let Scarlett pick a pack.
I like the way she says it. What?
Do you want to pick a pack?
But I had already picked.
This one?
But I didn't pick.
This one?
Try and
Yeah.
beat 200, mate.
So it's gonna be me and then Jackson.
Mm-hmm.
Yes, Scarlett, me, then Jackson. Scarlett, me,
Right.
Jackson.
My turn.
Code card.
I'm gonna say psychic.
I'm gonna say electric.
I say psychic.
I'll say fighting this time.
Electric, do it, electric.
Oh,
Yes.
the one time I don't choose glass.
Inkay.
It's not gonna be better.
Celtic. Drowsy. Horsey.
I got
Ironmoth.
that.
Yeah, that's good.
Sylveon. Oh, I like that one.
It's the upgrade of Eevee.
Slitherwing. Alright, that's alright. Right, it's 1-1.
Me.
Skylar, your turn. Let's choose that green one.
They're all green.
Huh?
They're all green.
I'm in
The green Pokemon.
Right, it's 1-0 at the moment. Whoever loses is going to get punishment.
I hope you like the last punishment. I'm gonna get dad. That cold shower.
Samurai sword. Pack it. Pack it. You're trying to ninja style. There we
What
go.
is he? I'm saying psychic.
I think
Come on, psychic.
I think it's going to be electric.
This one. Drum roll, please.
Oh! Oh! Daddy won that one.
Another one.
Yeah. Persian. Fratzer. Fur fruit.
I want to look at that one
Malamar.
because I want to cheat.
Weevil.
Hope it's going to be a good one.
Meowth. That's right. Gel tip.
Another one.
Whoa!
Yeah.
190.
Look at that.
Can I hold it?
No, take it.
It's an EX version.
Can I hold it?
So if you get a higher one, it has to be an EX to beat that.
Yeah. Jordan and Jason's actually. No.
He's pulling the yellow. What's it? The yellow from me. Yeah. You're right, come on.
We are
Right,
the
Scarlet.
winners.
Scarlet, come on. Use your magic powers. Use your magic powers. What one are you going for?
You're not picking that either.
Come on. This one.
Yeah.
It has to
High
be
five.
an EX to be able. If you get a 200, it's an EX, so I still get to win. Because
What?
mine's an EX.
What? No.
EX is
higher.
a
No,
better.
It's higher.
EX is a better. I bet you're 180 with a shiny.
Right, code card. Do you want code card?
How did we get two of the same ones in one pack? Because one of
Right,
wait,
energies. Think
They're
of
different.
energy.
they're different. Look, one's a shiny.
Yeah, one's a hollow. That's hollow version. Right, what we're saying? What we're saying, kids?
I'm saying psychic again.
I'm saying fighting.
I'm saying. I'm saying fire.
Psychic.
Yeah.
Yeah, good.
Good, bro. Go back. Meowth, that's right. See that?
I put that one
Drowsy.
in first. No.
Try that. I'm off.
I am raw.
Galvantula. Oh, wow, look at that.
You have to go for your
Oh,
last
I
card.
can. Look at that card.
You have to go for your
Oh,
last card.
I'll take the L on that. I'll take that.
That's a
But
good
look
card.
at that.
I got an EX hollow version of that. And it's an upgrade.
That is a card right there, isn't it? Look at that one.
I think mine was better.
Right, go on.
It's my turn.
Here you go.
No,
No, I'll take the L on that. That was a wicked card.
it's 2-1.
Oh.
Lose the time. Watch out! And lose the time.
So, I'm gonna pick electric.
I'll pick water.
I'm saying boss. Fire! The one time we don't choose fire. Okay, so.
Right,
Let's
Absol,
Fire.
Joltic,
She's trying to cut me.
Seadra.
I've got an EX shiny version.
Look,
Mine.
that's the upgrade from that.
Yeah, and I've got an EX shiny version of that.
Yeah, Varoon. Slitherwing. Ow!
It's gonna be a good one. Make it good.
Houndoom.
Drum roll, please.
Tapu Bulu. That's a nice card.
It's 140.
Yeah, look at that. Stop cutting me.
Cut his
Right.
arm. Cut his arm.
Leave them alone. What one we're going
Give
for?
bad luck to
Scarlet. Which one?
bad luck.
This one?
Bad
You
luck.
want that one? Yes?
I gave bad luck to both of them.
Oh, what's happened to it? You've got the phone or something?
Get Daddy and Poo Poo Cat Daddy.
Why?
Get my
Code card.
Get a really, really bad card.
Get really Dad love me.
Oi. That's a nice one, that.
It's a hollow version of electric.
It's like a hollow version, yeah.
Whoa.
Right. Can you stop cutting me? Right, so we got Toxicroak,
She wants you to get a
Eevee, Varoom, Zubat,
You're only getting
Right
better
back.
than 140, mate.
I'm off, Oh, look at that.
That's rainbow.
There's some wicked cards in here.
I know.
Yeah, we want to repeat this one because we
Let's go
thought there's going to be
140.
good ones in it. Okay.
Okay, I guess it's rock, paper, scissors. Me against Dad.
It's rock, paper, scissors
Me
time!
against Dad and me.
Alright.
Best out, first to two. First to
Who does
two.
first to two? It's best of three.
Okay.
Right. You ready?
Yeah.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Yeah, boy! I'm gonna get one more. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
I'm the god! No one can beat me at rock, paper, scissors!
Damn it!
Here you go, brother.
Bruh.
Bruh.
Damn it!
I know the next one.
Nearly had a win.
Nearly. Ninja Star. Okay.
Hi.
What? Energy.
I'm going to fire.
Really good
Grass.
luck.
Grass.
Psychic.
Right. Oh, still.
Yeah.
Datrix.
Yeah.
Duskull.
Yeah.
Houndoom.
Yeah.
Stuffle.
Yeah.
Sylvia.
No.
Hourglass.
Yeah.
Binding Mochi.
Yeah.
Hypno.
Yeah.
Zura.
Yeah. We've already got this one.
I guess one's going your way then.
Yeah.
Right. That is it. Right. We're going to have to do punishment. What's the punishment, Jax?
I need to think.
Look how my dad did.
I need to think.
You need to think, do you?
Yeah.
Right. Jackson's going to think of a punishment. And we're going to do a clean up.
Like the cold shower.
Oh my.
It's
Oh.
got to be really cold.
Right. We're going to do clean up and we'll see you on the punishment. Right. So these are the wicked cards.
I've already thought of the punishments.
Dad's gonna hate it.
There we go.
Dad's gonna hate this punishment.
And Jats, what is the punishment?
We are gonna make the walk on Lego.
You say them, me. We're not making Scarlet walk on Lego.
Oh,
Just me.
yeah.
Right. Here we go.
But you have to do it.
Right. So here we go. They're making me walk on
Lego.
smelly Lego.
This baby
It's not smelly, it's Minecraft. No socks.
No socks.
Yeah.
Got to take my socks off now.
Loser.
Right. Here we go. Ah!
And you have to walk back.
Ah!
Walk backwards.
Stuck to my foot.
Now you walk back.
Right. Now it's walking back.
I got one of the Legos still by the gate.
Right. Here we go. Ah! Ah! Ow! 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 It's on my foot.
Dad, are you scared of Legos now?
No, but I definitely don't want to be walking on them. Right. Should we do the ending?
Yeah.
Right, come here then. What will you say, guys?
Make sure to like and subscribe.
Right. Scarlet. We'll see you on the next one. Peace.